Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT, one of the most powerful and popular AI tools available today. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, content creator, student, or someone simply looking to save time, ChatGPT can help you become more productive and efficient. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people work, and ChatGPT is one of the easiest tools to get started with. It can help you create content, answer questions, solve problems, generate ideas, and even automate parts of your daily workflow. So, let's start with the basics. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. It understands natural language, which means you can talk to it just like you would talk to another person. You simply type a question or instruction, and ChatGPT generates a response based on what you've asked. To access ChatGPT, go to chatgpt.com and create a free account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, Apple account, or Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a chat box. This is where you'll type your instructions, commonly called prompts. Now let's look at some practical examples. If you own an online store, you could type, "Write a product description for a portable blender. Make it professional and SEO friendly." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete product description that you can edit and publish on your website or marketplace listing. Let's look at another example. If you're creating content for social media, you can type, "Create 10 Instagram post ideas for a fitness coach." ChatGPT will instantly generate ideas that you can use for your content calendar. You can also use ChatGPT for email marketing. For example, write a promotional email announcing a 20% discount sale. The AI will create a complete email draft that you can customize and send to your customers. Need help with customer support? You can ask, "Create professional responses for customers asking about shipping delays." This can save hours of repetitive work and help maintain consistent communication with customers. ChatGPT is also useful for content creators and YouTubers. You can ask it to create video scripts, generate video ideas, write captions, create blog outlines, or even suggest catchy titles for your content. For example, create a 5-minute YouTube script about healthy eating for beginners. Within moments, you'll have a structured script ready to edit and record. One important tip when using ChatGPT is to be specific. Instead of saying, "Write a blog post," try saying, "Write a 1,000-word blog post about weight loss for beginners." Use a friendly tone and include practical tips. The more information you provide, the better the results will be. In business, ChatGPT can help with product descriptions, blog articles, social media content, customer support templates, marketing campaigns, email sequences, business plans, and much more. The best way to learn is by using it regularly. Start with simple tasks, experiment with different prompts, and gradually discover new ways ChatGPT can help your business and daily work.